A beam of energy just hit Earth with 40 million times more punch than our biggest collider, and it looked like it came from nothing. Scientists call it the Amaterasu particle, a single cosmic ray so powerful it's one of the biggest ever recorded. And it didn't arrive like a normal space pebble, it arrived like a ghost message. Imagine a purple streak slamming down. Not a laser you can see, but a particle with insane energy. When it hit our air, it didn't make one splash. It made a sky explosion of tiny particles, spreading outward like a hidden firework. Here's the scary part. When scientists traced its direction, it seemed to point back toward the local void, a patch of sky with very few galaxies, basically empty. So everyone asked, what can throw a punch from an empty room? A cosmic ray is like a super tiny bullet of space energy, but this one wasn't normal. This one carried so much energy that people compare it to something you can feel, like dropping a small heavy object from waist height, packed into one tiny particle. Normally, to make a particle this strong, you'd expect a huge engine, a monster black hole, a raging galaxy core, a cosmic blast site. But in that direction, scientists couldn't point to one obvious culprit at the time. Twist, space isn't a clean map. Magnetic fields can bend the paths of charged particles like a pinball machine. So the line back to the source can be a lie, like following a crooked footprint trail in a storm. And here's the update. Newer studies argue the source might not be inside the emptiest part of the void. There could be nearby candidates in a wider region, with M82 mentioned as one possibility. So it may be from nowhere, only because our cosmic compass is still messy. If this much power can reach us from a direction that looks empty, what happens when the next one hits, and it's even closer to home?